Good morning, everybody. Good morning. We've got a huge day ahead of us. Everything is moving down, so there's opportunity for the market today, especially for silver. Pull back the first time, 11% down. Before we go further, guys, remember our content always for education purposes only. So, who's ready for today? I'm watching silver closely, guys, for a breakout here. We might have a reversal from the bottom. Look really interesting right now for silver to continue, either for a pullback more or a reversal. So I'm watching for maybe another 8% down or more reversal up. MU had huge earnings yesterday, but it pulled back anyway. Now it's pulling back near important support. Oil doing all right. Everybody buying oil right now because it's at all-time high around the 119. And everybody selling silver and gold and buying oil because it's what's going on in the Middle East. We got Baba have earnings and were bad earnings. So I'm watching for another dip for Baba toward the 117 could be a really good dip. We got DLO and 5 have earnings. Microfast is going down. The whole market is down, guys, especially for B. We got Plug is pulling back. Coinbase is pulling back. Yeah, market is bearish, guys. Bearish market today. Coinbase is still pulling back. It could be good for a dip because it's getting near a strong support right now. And Coinbase might break this trend, guys, the bullish trend, and go to bearish trend. So I'm watching it closely. If we broke this level around the 190.94, could be really great. There's some people buying the dip for Baba, but I think they're gonna get shorted. Be careful. It's really weak Baba right now. The strongest support is around the 117.70. So I expect another pullback before the market open or right now. Still waiting for another dip here below the 124.50. So I'm gonna bring Baba to the main list. I'm gonna bring 5 DLO. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. The main gainers for today is SER and CHNR. Both those two stocks looking fantastic for today. Yeah, those two looking strong. DLO could be good for today as well. 5 the same. 5 would be really great for today if we held the 218. I might put alerts here for silver. I might trade silver today because it's kind of undervalued here. Yeah, Baba is going down before the market open. One on 21 might be good for exiting or reversal. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Yeah, Baba is going down big time after the bad earnings. Yeah, I'm watching the 121. Let's see if we're gonna continue this pullback. Five is pulling back as well. DLO is pulling back. CHNR is still holding. I think we got a bit major seller rate now for CHNR around 550. And SEER, we have a big seller around the $2.08. Yeah, watching silver closely for a reversal, guys. Let's see. Silver could be good here for a breakout. Let's see. I think it's really good here. Yeah, silver looking fantastic. Baba trying to reverse before the market open, but think it's gonna go down more. Yes, silver guys started to reverse. Watch out. I think we got a level to go to around the 71. Okay, welcome everybody. Welcome to the hunt. Hit the like button on the way in. We always go live every day, 30 minutes before the market open. Today we got a bearish market, but of course, if you know how to trade, you can make money even if the market is going down. The most important thing is controlling your emotion. So let's get right to it. Let's see the question here. We got Lizzie. Good morning. Christopher, CHNR, yes, is on our list for today. Good morning, Christopher. Clifton, good morning. Here in France, it's good afternoon, guys. Richie, welcome, welcome everybody. I think everybody from the United States, that's why everybody say good morning. Karina, curious about Beyond Meat. I will check it later. But today and now we're watching the top stocks that we should watch, and the most active one. Baba and MU have earnings. One of them, MU, had after hours pulling back. Baba pre-market and pulling back as well. BATL, Norma, please. I will check it for you. Let us check BATL. Guys, during the market open, I can't reply or see the chat because I will be actively trading. So bear with me. After like 30 minutes from the market open, I could watch for the chat. So I'm not ignoring everybody. So remember, guys, the market is crazy. It needs focus. I can't look at the chat at the same time, look at the chart. I have just two eyes and they're fixated on the chart. What else? Elvi, sir, good morning. Frank, good morning. Interesting. Yes, interesting. Yes, because the planet is round, not flat, man. Clifton, that's why it is morning over there, and here is almost sunset. EBCSC, not good. Ball is not good. Yeah, both of them, they're not good. Baba trying to reverse, but I expect another pullback at the market open, guys. Expect a pullback. If we don't break the 125.58, is me, we're gonna continue this pullback for Baba. We got 8 minutes. Let's see if we continue this pullback down. I expect a pullback down. Silver still okay. 5 CNHR is about to pull back here, guys. Watch out. CHNR. If we broke the 553, it might squeeze this one. SER, the same, is about to test the resistance here, updating the support around the 191. Expecting a huge reversal for silver, guys. at least around the 69 and maybe the 70 because it pulled back a lot. B is down, Coinbase is down. Coin is looking really interesting, so I'm put it on the list. Maybe with B. Good morning, everybody. Let me know if you can hear me all right. Karina, it's kind of funny because here, even in France, they say bonjour. Even now, they say bonjour, which mean good morning. I don't know. Everybody in their head. Everybody. Sometimes they say good morning at the middle of the night if I didn't sleep for a whole day. And people look at me like I'm crazy person. But it's subjective. It's like speed, time, space is also relative. So it depends on the viewer. So yeah, morning is always in your head. Baba is kind of putting back up before the market open. Come on, where's the short sellers? I need Baba to go down more, guys. It's kind of still didn't hit the bottom yet. Silver, I need silver to go up today. Another huge jump at the market open, maybe. Come on, we need the market to open to give us direction. Right now, the market have no direction, guys. Have no direction so far. SER give us a really good jump right now from the resistance. It's going toward those levels. Yeah, it broke the resistance around the $2. CHNR still didn't inside this flag. Watching Baba closely at the market open, guys. If we don't break this resistance, guys, around the 125.57 is mean we're gonna continue this pullback. MU, the same. We have a huge seller around the 444.17. It might continue to go down today if we don't break this level. B, we have another seller came in before the market open. Yeah, we expect another pullback down for today. Those the main ones that I'm watching today, guys. The main stocks. B, we have big seller came in. Yeah, it's back to huge pullback now. Okay. The market is about to open and Baba is flashing down. MU is flashing down as well. Coinbase, silver is going up. Yeah, Baba is back to huge flush at the market open. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's have fun today. 5 is going down toward the support. Come on, the market is a bit red today. Watch out, guys. Market is open. At any second. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. MU, it broke the support. Okay, nice. No, 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 no. 5 is not good. DLO is still good. SER is getting near the resistance, guys. Coinbase is going down. B is going down to test. MU still going down. Silver is going up. Baba still going down. Come on, we need the 118 or 17 for Baba for a reversal. Okay, nice. Okay, I think there is a buyer around the 121. No, slow and steady. DLO tested the resistance. DLO might be good for shorting opportunity here if it didn't break this level. MU started to reverse a little bit. Coin is getting near the support. B is around the support. BABA still going down. Okay, still there is a seller for BABA. Yeah, there is a still. Give me a new low. DLO broke out. Consolidation here. We got accumulation zone for BABA. Okay, I think we got still a seller here around the 121.99. And put alert if we went up. MU still have a struggle. Silver still have a struggle here, but I think we got a support right there. DLO have a broke out. This one had earnings yesterday. SER guys hit the huge resistance around the 237. Current support right now is the $1.91. BABA have accumulation, guys. Accumulation zone around the 121. Oh, there's a buyer. Didn't break yet. Trying to break the 122. Okay, we didn't break yet. Okay, I think this is it for BABA. Yeah, this is it. We got a reversal now. We got MU start to reverse. Silver as well. Are we gonna have a reversal for silver or not? Yeah, we got a critical zone here for silver. Yeah, Baba trying to reverse now. Yeah, silver, if it held here, we might have a chance for a reversal up. Yeah, we might get a shot. SER is the only unicorn that did really good. CH and R, we have a fake out, guys. Yeah, we got a fake out here, but still holding the $4.48. Coin trying to reverse, B trying to reverse as well here. We got a strong support for B over the 148.62. Yeah. As we said, SER is the only one that look all right. Microfast is flashing down now. 5, I didn't expect this reversal, guys. To be honest, was unexpected reversal. FedEx reporting earnings today, guys. Watch out. Let us check again the main gainer for today. Top gainers, we got SER, CHNR, SUNE hitting the scan from yesterday. Even yesterday did really great job. Okay, let's see your questions now. If you got any. We got a question from one of our elite member. Good morning, Dan. The SER and David asked about SER and okay. SER is the main event for today. Remember, guys, SER already discussed it on our pre-market watch list with CHNR. Yeah, CHNR was on our list first. It was really great play because it hit our $6 profit taken. Now SER hit the scan after or before the market opened by a few minutes. So this one already hit a major resistance right now around the $2.37. So be careful with it. We got really strong resistance here, plus profit taken around the $2.37. Current support that we should hold is the 206, yes. So far, so good. We got really good trend here. Still on the bullish side. Here you go. We got AMNA. Yeah, this one not bad as well. But I don't like the volume is pretty much dead for this one. So you see, we didn't break yet for ANNN. SEER is the top dog in today, but I think hit the huge wall around the 237. Baba started reverse up. MU the same. B, nope, not ready yet. Coinbase did really well. Silver still pulling back. I'm still watching silver for entry here, but it's not ready yet. Okay, I'll check Beyond Meat for you guys. Okay, let us see. Beyond Meat, we got Neo. Let us check both. Yeah, Beyond Meat still sleeping. Neo, it did really well. It almost hit that 627 resistant. Now it's pulling back with the whole market. Beyond Meat is still holding the support, so not bad. Okay, silver I think is nice now. Okay, let us discuss Beyond Meat now, guys. Okay, let me just bring Beyond Meat. Yeah, it's been a while. Last time we discussed Beyond Meat. Beyond Meat is still holding the support that we discussed lately, guys, around the 64. As you remember, we got earning coming up here on the 25th of March of next week, Wednesday after hours. We might have a huge anticipation and maybe jump because last earnings we have good revenue and now we expecting less revenue or maybe around the 63. Last time estimate was around 68, but we reported 70. So this time if we overestimate have better revenue and a good earnings, we might have a nice reversal. So we're gonna discuss the price action, guys, the technical price action, not just fundamental, for Beyond Meat in today's video. Before we go further, remember our content always for education purposes only. We do this update, guys, because we got a lot of comments from you guys about Beyond Meat, and many of you saying, "Yo, Jesus, stop talking about Beyond Meat. The stock is dead." Why? Because a lot of you maybe bought around this jump that happened back here in last year in December when we did 87%, then price pulled back on you, and of course you still in red. However, if you technically strategically enter for really good buying price like the market maker buy, you will be up even if you entered around this dip. We did 50% in just 2 weeks. So Beyond Meat is high risk, high reward play, guys. Don't say safe, it's not safe. So if you want to have a lot of gains, you have to have a lot of loss, but we could manage it with the technical because we always know how to enter. So we could have high reward, less risk by knowing the short. That's why we discussed it on our Discord. A lot of stocks that did huge jump, like for SEER, this one did almost over 100%, but we managed it. The other one that we did for today, we did it twice before the market opened, is CHNR. The price was around hovering around the $5, held the $4.21, which is the current support. So you have to risk the price pull back on you and take the loss. But for this case, we held the support because we had the good fundamental, good technical, and we went toward the 6 and almost around the 672. Huge jump for this one in few minutes. So we always discuss those the stocks, not just Beyond Meat, and manage our risk. Managing our risk is number one in trading, guys. The link comment section below to our Discord and Patreon. In meantime, for Beyond Meat, you see what's going on here. We have a huge jump of 50%, then a period of cooling off. Almost 17 days. This is normal, and every time Beyond Meat have this reaction. Let me just give you an example. Here, a huge jump in just 6 days, 80%, then a period of cool off or a pullback almost 30 days. So always the selling pressure slow. The buying pressure is fast and hot. It's like a rocket. When it's go up, it go really high fast in few seconds. Then when reach the orbital velocity, it's cool down and let Earth gravity pull it down. So it doesn't have to have a fuel or go really high in order to reach that. It just goes sideways and miss the Earth. This is what called orbital velocity. So the idea here, we need the orbital velocity for Beyond Meat, which is over the $1. But for now, we still need to regain the energy that we lost after we jumped until the $1.08, and we held over the 64 cent. If we held here, would be fantastic, and confirming that we have a buyer holding and buying Beyond Meat before the earnings. As we said, guys, don't forget we have earnings coming up. And if we have this time a positive earnings, like what happened to NIO, as you see here, NIO had positive earnings before the estimate. We always have negative earnings, but for NIO, we have positive earning, and see what's happened. We have a huge jump, 30% for NIO after a huge sideways consolidation of almost half a year. Imagine half a year of consolidation sideways over the 4. Now we went until the 6 lately because we we have positive earnings. So now for Beyond Meat, the same reaction. We need to have a positive earning. I don't know that your friend never doesn't know what's gonna happen. If you know what's gonna happen before the earnings, mean you have insider news, or you are God, or demigod, or Jesus, whatever. I'm not the real Jesus, guys. So otherwise, I would know what's gonna happen for the earnings. Otherwise, I would not never gonna do this video because I would be in prison. So the idea here, we are talking about technical. So as we said, this is high risk, high reward play. So we have to wait until Wednesday after hours to confirm if we have a positive earnings or a negative earnings. If we have a positive earning, let me just see what's gonna happen. First of all, we're gonna hold the 64. This is before the earnings. And second of all, we have to have a huge jump and breakout over the 88 this time to confirm that we have a buyer holding over the 88, breaking the $1, and this time we might have the 125. This is the earning play squeeze, not the $1, but the $1.25 if we have really good positive earnings for Beyond Meat. Now let us discuss Neo, guys. Neo had the first time positive earnings since a lot of years, and this has made it. Let me just show you how we parabolically go up almost 40% from the 440 until the 6, almost 630. Now price pulling back a little bit. Let me just show you the market is down big time for a lot of stocks. However, Neo is still in almost green. We got a huge pullback for the market. Now the market is kind of reversing up for many stocks, for Mara, for Coinbase. However, as we said, Neo is still didn't have a huge pullback because there's a lot of buyers still buying Neo. And look at this. We got a lot of wick or huge wick at the market open. This is show us that there is someone buying the dip for Neo. So now where we're gonna go? There is a level, guys. If we broke it for Neo, it means we're gonna have another jump. So it's not too late right now for Neo to have another jump because technically is still discounted. Here the discounted price was around the $4, $5, and now is not even premium yet for the price, because if we broke the 627, the premium price should be around the 950 or almost the $10, and this is almost double for the price action for Neo. Price target right now, it is around the 680. Before it was I can remember around the 6,550. So we have a raised price target for Neo. So this is good indication that the analysts changing their mind about the price target. Hopefully, we're gonna see the 10 or the $15 for Neo the coming days. We're gonna discuss Neo in depth, of course, with other stocks because we don't just update Neo. We discussed today CHNR, the top gainers for today. We discussed it before the market opened. Once the price was around the 5, it hit the 6 and did really great. So the link up section below to our Discord and Patreon for the daily updates that we're gonna do in pre-market and after we finish our live streaming 30 minutes before the market open every day. So for Neo, we're gonna discuss the price action for tomorrow because the price is getting near the squeeze zone, the $6.27. Wow, Baba, yeah, it did a huge reversal. MU, a huge reversal as well. B, Coinbase, silver, yeah, silver. Doing all right here. I think time to take a little profit here. Yeah, silver, I think we got a bit of seller here. Yeah, Brent oil looking interesting for entry here. Okay. SER is preparing for a flush here if we broke the 206. CHNR, I don't like it anymore. MU did a really good reversal. Yeah, I think silver found a huge seller place around 69. Interesting. Baba reverse. Big time here. Wow, SER held the support tightly. Really good. 207 was good support. WETO hitting the scan. TCGL again. We got Ella and SUNE. SUNE, yeah, is pulling back after hitting the profit taken. Now is pulling back toward the support, the 183. We got Ella. Don't like it that much. TCGL, the same. WETO, the same. Let's see the stock that been halted for today. Okay, silver is still going up. Interesting. Think is going here to this resistance 71. Yeah, the main event for today is MU and Baba. MU did the huge reversal. They feel a bit FOMO, not buying the dip. What a day. A roller coaster day. Today is a roller coaster. Okay, MU looking interesting for a short. Anyway, this is it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Um, we're gonna do another update tomorrow, Friday, for the market. So stay tuned for that. In the meantime, thank you for watching and see you all back. Bye.